Indiana follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula for wage garnishment. Indiana is a relatively creditor-friendly garnishment state with straightforward procedure. Here is what creditors need to know. The Indiana garnishment limit, the lesser of 25% of disposable earnings per pay period, or the amount by which disposable earnings exceed 30 times the federal minimum wage. Indiana does not impose a state cap more restrictive than the federal formula. Indiana's minimum wage is set at the federal rate. Disposable earnings in Indiana: gross wages minus legally required deductions, federal and Indiana state income taxes, Social Security, Medicare. Voluntary deductions are excluded from the calculation. Indiana garnishment procedure: after obtaining a judgment, the creditor files a notice of garnishment proceeding or a verified motion for proceeding supplemental. Indiana's post-judgment enforcement proceeding, and the court orders the employer to appear or respond. Indiana's proceedings supplemental procedure is broad and covers wage garnishment as well as other asset discovery and collection. Indiana continuing garnishment. Indiana allows a continuing garnishment that attaches to the debtor's wages on a continuing basis. The employer withholds from each paycheck without requiring reservice of a new writ for each pay period. The continuing nature of the order makes Indiana wage garnishment efficient for creditors with a verified current employer. Head of household. Indiana does not have a specific head of household wage exemption beyond the standard federal formula. The full federal maximum is available to creditors once the judgment debtor's employment is confirmed. Exempt income: Social Security, unemployment, workers' compensation, disability benefits, and retirement income are generally exempt from garnishment in Indiana. People Locator skip tracing identifies current Indiana employers for garnishment proceedings, delivered within 24 hours or less. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.